What if one bead could incinerate your deepest fears, awaken unstoppable confidence, and free your truest voice? Three Mukhi Rudraksha, a cosmic powerhouse linked to divine fire and liberation. In this video, discover Three Mukhi Rudrakshas and all about it in detail, along with a few pro tips to make it more effective. Three natural lines pierce through this sacred bead, embodying the three Dev, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and the holy fire of transformation. But it's closely linked to Agni, the Vedic god of fire, and Shiva's third eye of destruction. This isn't just harmony, it's spiritual combustion. Ready to meet its cosmic commanders? Ruled by Agni and Lord Shiva, its energy mirrors Mars, planet of action, courage, and burning through blockades. Together, they ignite a force that shatters self-doubt, vaporizes old sins and guilts, and fuels your life's purpose. The Three Mukhi Rudraksha burns past karma and unlocks a leader within you, making you fearless and conquering just like a fire, along with the blessings of Mars to make you courageous. But this power demands respect. Here's how to harness it safely. To properly wield the power of this Rudraksha, you first need to energize it according to Vedic rituals. Wear it in a pendant or a bracelet form to unlock your chakras. Also, a 3-mukhi paired with 11-mukhi and a 9-mukhi, blessed by Lord Hanuman and Goddess Durga, can amply its effect drastically. 3-mukhi is most believed to provide leadership quality to a person, making them courageous. Chant the bead mantra 𝐓𝐇𝐄 Namah daily or once a month at least to always bear the full effect of this magical Rudraksha. Hold it in your hands close to your heart to energize it with its bead mantra. Smash subscribe. Comment Agni below if you're claiming your power this year.